नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. My name is Irsa Shahzadi and my qualification is Bachelor. I welcome all of you here in this beautiful gathering with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Let me tell you the purpose of coming outside. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have been discussing our topic, who is an ideal citizen. What are the responsibilities of an ideal citizen? What are the moral values of an ideal citizen? And after my presentation, I will give some suggestion. First of all, I'm going to give you the outline of my presentation. I have been divided my presentation in 3 parts. In my first part, I will tell you who is an ideal citizen. In my second part, what are the responsibilities of an ideal citizen. And in my third part, I will tell you what are the moral values of an ideal citizen. And in my fourth part, I'm going to give some suggestions how to become an ideal citizen. After I finish my presentation, you can ask me any question. Well, let's move to my first part, who is an ideal citizen. An ideal citizen is the one who respects others, respects the environment, and contributes to the country and the community. Let's move to my second part, what are the responsibilities of an ideal citizen. He is polite and courteous. He respects all the laws of the country. He has a great civic sense. An ideal citizen knows his responsibilities and rights. An ideal citizen has to be full of values, principles, and ethics. Let's move to my third part. What are the moral values of an ideal citizen? According to the researches, there are a lot of different rules to be an ideal citizen. They are the moral values that are felt by people who live in a society. Here are some moral values that to be an ideal citizen should have: honesty, respect, love, generosity, tolerance, empathy, and environmental awareness. Honesty is the key to be a good citizen. Ethics and strongs are also the part of showing your honesty, that who you are and what you stand for. Ethics is very important to carry with you. An ideal citizen should always respect the rights, responsibilities, religious beliefs, and never to be sore loser. Honesty is the best policy. Respect is the one most important basis when living in a society. Freedom goes hand in hand with mutual respect. Love. This may seem surreal, but honestly, love conquers all. With love in our hearts, we feel no need to harm any person. We should give love to get love. If you give respect to a person, he or she would surely do the same too. If you show love and concern, him or his, he and she are also show respect and love for you. Oliver Wendell Holmes says, love is the master key that's open the gates of happiness. Let's move to my fourth part. I'm going to give some suggestion how to become an ideal citizen. We should be responsible, we should be generous, we should be polite, we should respect the laws of the country, we should respect the religious beliefs and responsibilities. We should respect the laws of the country, we should obey the rules, we should give love to get love. That's all from my side. I would like to thank all of you. If you have any question in your mind, you can freely ask me.